Look at Pablo Escobar there. It's early January 2021 and it snowed a bunch last night. And we're gonna go do some pigeon chores in the coop over there. Ooh. We need a shovel. I say we take the red one, the king of spades. It snowed like half a foot last night, and this is like the third or fourth time if it snowed at least this much. Good morning. So there are two divisions in this coop right now. We got the main flying team right here. It's like 75 birds. Family coop. There's a bunch of babies in there. I'm gonna be honest, the coop's pretty dirty right now. I mean, it's healthy, it's happy and healthy, but it's pretty like farmy right now. I haven't been cleaning it like I normally would. Let me tell you, this shit would not fly in Brooklyn. You never see the floor of my coop looking like this in Brooklyn. Keep it tip top down there. But up here, you know, it's like you're on the mountain, no one's around. You know, shoveling shit's a lot like shoveling snow. Just start with a path so you got somewhere to stand and you just work your way out. See, and I periodically mix in cat litter so it all stays really dry. See, when you actually get down to the plywood floor, it's very dry. It's about 32, maybe 30 degrees Fahrenheit today. So it's just above freezing. Oh, this is pretty fucking hardcore. There's some babies over there. Oh, we'll shovel them out. A good mask. People will always be asking on YouTube whether I wear a mask. You're goddamn right I wear a mask. Every pigeon keeper I know wears a mask. Yeah, when the bags get to be about 50 pounds, just call it a wrap. Move on to the next bag. Watch how I clear this floor really quick. 2 minutes flat. First, real quick, big pass there. Keep it moving. Watch your corners. Always bring it to a corner, then bring it out of the corner. Clear this. Corner there, keep it moving, you know? Try to minimize how many times you're switching tools. It's like playing billiards, you know? Always be thinking of the next shot. See, I'm just loading up for what I know will be one full hand. Get it off of the wall, and then boom, get it in one swing. What I need is some dope Andrew Camerata music while I'm doing this. All right. Let's say 2 more scoops will take us home. 1. 2. Yeah. Good enough for government work. Hey, I want to talk about some of the young birds that were born in 2020 and have been flying, but this spring is going to be their first like full pro season. This is a solid white ball head roller mixed with a tiplet. It came out beautifully. I have no idea how he's solid white. The papa, the roller, a splash, and the tiplet's a grizzle, a blue and white grizzle. Look how chill she is. Alright, this guy, this is a cross. I'm gonna show off a lot of crosses because a lot of my friends, a lot of guys don't fuck with crosses, but we have a lot of crosses and they're beautiful. Like, check this out. This is a ball head roller mixed with a Saddleback Homer. Came out this beautiful opal. This guy's a flying machine. Look at the size of him. Like, really looks exactly like a cross between a ball head roller and a homing pigeon. A big homing pigeon too. A nice homing pigeon. It's an awesome bird. Here's a young homer lady. She's really beautiful. She's got these light bronze bars there. They're not red, they're bronze. Perfect homing pigeon. She flies like a hot damn. Here's another cross. This one's also tippler mixed with roller. It came out with this beautiful blue splash. Oh, I'm sorry. And with a little bit of brown in there. Call them Bronco. I don't know why. This bird is still very young and very small. She's only like 3 months, but she's a pence and roller thoroughbred, but she's a bronzy. See the beautiful bronze colors. I have lots of their older siblings, and they all fly remarkably. Here is another ball head roller homer cross from another pair. You know, it's not like I set out to have all these crosses. I just let birds love who they want to love. And this one's got this beautiful, look at that, speckled like bell neck or saddleback. She's very chill. I call her Pee-wee, but there's a couple birds that look alike that I call Pee-wee. She's a younger Pee-wee. This homer is fierce. Look at this. He's a red. He's like a red splash homer. Who? Oh man, he's really fierce. I don't hold my birds all the time. A lot of guys, they always be like touching the birds and handling my birds. I don't touch my birds unless, like, you know, they need touching. But there we go. Look at how cool looking he is. Look at that red splash. His papa is an Isabella, like a yellow, big, burly racing homer. And her mama is kind of like a mosaic-y, bronzy, blacky. He's really cool. Big red. It's 2021's big red. And of course I'm gonna pull up with a bunch of almond rollers because they're my favorite. Look at that. Isn't she crazy? Yellow with all those crazy color splashes in there. Little Tigra. That's who she is. Here's another really cool looking almond roller. This one's father is a black and white, like kind of pencil, like color, and her mama is like a solid black. They're called Crybaby. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl yet. They're really petite. Look at the crazy random coloring, and look, there's a little bit of yellow by her eye, which is a trip. She's a really, I say she, I don't know, they're a really cool looking bird. I just love almond rollers, and almond rollers change color almost every year, so it's great. Here's a good looking bird that's a little bit more straight up. Oh man, see, they're a fierce high flyer. It's a blue grizzle tiplet with some brown touches on her feathers. It's a hardcore flying bird. All right. Moving on to Don Juin over here. He's a really awesome smoky black lace. Father's a capuchin, mama's a roller, ball head, of course. Yeah, the black tail is like, you know, it's touched, but guys, that's an awesome looking bird. You don't see that every day. All right, I've happened upon 2 more almond rollers. There's that fella who's got a lot of red, and this one that's definitely yellow, and it's got some really cool color in the wing. Yeah, love the yellow rollers. Batman Louie put me on the yellow rollers. Yeah, here's everybody. There's other youngsters that are still molting. We've got electricity via some solar panels I gotta go clean off right now. So let's see, what's the situation on the roof? I'm gonna find the flag. It's down here somewhere. You know, all told, this tree stump foundation has turned out pretty good. Look at that. It's all dry and nice under there. Oh, lost it. Oh. Yeah. Nice, it's just got a little handle. That's good, let's use that. Everyone's hydrated. Everyone had just a little bit of breakfast. Yeah, who's excited? Give them the business, huh? Come on. Bag. That's what I'm talking about. Shoveled out a little seat right here. What are y'all doing? What are you doing in the snow? Well, it's starting to snow again, so I guess we'll go inside and take a bath. out their bath pan. Yeah, that works perfect. Holy shit, this is hard to carry. Oh, this is taking every muscle in my body. Let's let everybody in. There we go. You guys go for it. I'm gonna sit down for a while. Much deserved winter bath in a nice clean coop. Didn't even get into these birds. Now I gotta clean this coop. Job is never done.